The graphics card war has been raging on for months with AMD and Nvidia both competing for dominance. Recently, the South Korean National Radio Research Agency filed a registration for a new AMD GPU motherboard, which could possibly signify a new AMD Radeon RX GPU hitting the market soon. This card could come in two versions, the RX 7700 and RX 7600, and fill a much-needed void in the budget and mid-range graphics market. What's more, if this new GPU surprises the market by launching first, AMD might have an excellent opportunity to capture the attention of gamers who have been struggling to upgrade their cards for years. This is because most of the market is still using outdated graphics cards, even after the crypto bubble. The RX 7600 could be a game changer in the graphical card market, especially since it will have features such as ray tracing and Radeon superior resolution that are the future improvement. It would offer the perfect bridge to gamers who want to upgrade their graphics card but can't afford Nvidia's Lovelace offering and AMD's high-end GPUs. Dropping a mid-range card ahead of Nvidia's Cadence could put them on the back foot and capture a large portion of the gaming community. This could also help create goodwill between fans, who may be more willing to switch to AMD if there is a cheaper option available. In conclusion, the potential release of an RX 7600 from AMD could be great news for those who want to upgrade their graphics card. It could be the perfect bridge, offering just enough in terms of features to satisfy gamers and provide a cheaper option compared to Nvidia. Plus, it could be a huge win for AMD if it can beat Team Green to market.